So students, let us understand question number 19 from exercise 3.3. It means from symbol series. Three groups are given here, and fourth one, question mark is given. On the place of question mark, we have to find out the correct option from the given options there. Four options are given. Okay, so let us understand what happened here. So there are five symbols in each group. Last symbol, it is keeping continue as it is. It is keeping continue as it is. It is not changing its place. I repeat, the last symbol in each group, it is not changing its place. It is keeping continue on the same place. It means on the place of question mark, we are finding out the group from the option. In that particular group, that particular symbol, same symbol should be there at the last in the group. Okay, then if you notice, I'm giving the numbers for your better understand. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the fifth symbol, it is keeping continue same. Okay, so let us understand the first symbol. It is changing its place on number 4. Okay, then second symbol, changing the place here. Okay, on third place. Third symbol changing the place on number second here. Okay, then the fourth symbol changing the place on first number. It means the order has completely changed. In reverse order, they have arranged in second group. In reverse order, they have arranged. So let us find out the relation between second and third now. What is the relation between second and third? Once again, the second last symbol is not changing. You can see this is the second last symbol. It is not changing. तो यहां पर क्या हुआ फिर से फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड में फर्स्ट फोर symbols have changed their places in reverse order. Okay, now in second and third symbol, in second and third group, three symbols have changed their places in reverse order. You can see here first three symbols. Here I'm giving the numbers 1, 2, and 3. So number one symbol, it went on number 3. You can observe here. Second number symbol, it will be on second number because this is the middle symbol. And if you notice the third symbol, it went on number 1. It means in the first four symbols have changed their places in reverse order. In second, what happened? Three symbols have changed their places in reverse order. Now in third and fourth, what will happen? Two symbols will change their places as it is in reverse order. So three symbols, most likely it will be kept continue as it is. So symbol number third, this will, and then it is fourth, and this is fifth. Okay, so only the first and second will keep continue their places according to the previous relation. According to the previous series, only the first and second symbol will change their places in reverse order. Ab reverse order, it means the first will go on second and the second will go on first. Okay, it means this symbol will come on first and it will be on second. So this group we have obtained as an answer. So same group we have to find out from the option. So where will you get the same group? In option number 4. 4. Where will you get the same group? In option number 4. Once again, I would like to repeat it in short. In first and second, fifth symbol kept continue as it is. Only the first four symbol have changed their places in reverse order. In second and third, last two symbols are kept continue as it is. Only the first three symbols have changed their places in reverse order. In third and fourth symbol, what happened? Last three symbols have kept their places as it is. Only first and second symbol will change their places in reverse order. In this way, we have got the group and the same group we found in option number 4. So that the answer will be option number 4. Is that clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes, good.